Hello, welcome to Pureland channel. I'm Karen. Today I want to introduce 4 percussion instruments of Korean Buddhist temples. Korean Buddhism has more than 1700 years of history, so it has been deeply embedded in Korean culture. I want to explore some interesting aspects of Korean Buddhist temples from now on. This photo shows the bell pavilion of Beopjusa Buddhist Temple. Designated as UNESCO World Heritage in 2018, Beopjusa is a beautiful Buddhist monastery located in Songgwangsa mountain. Inside the bell pavilion, there are 4 percussion instruments. Can you see them? Here, this is the Dharma drum, and this one is the Brahma bell. This one is called wooden fish, and behind this wooden fish, this one is cloud-shaped gong. They are generally used to make sound offering before daily ritual at 4 in the morning and 6 in the evening. One thing I want to remind you that you can only listen to the sound of the 4 instruments in relatively large-scale Buddhist temples like Beopjusa. Let's get into more in detail one by one. Firstly, the Brahma bell. It is a big bell cast in bronze over a person's height. There are many decorative patterns elegantly carved on the surface of the bell. This huge and heavy bell is hung by dragon-shaped suspension at the top. The heaviest extant Korean bell is the Emile bell, weighing about 19 tons. The bell is tolled by horizontal beam on the side. The deep and resonating sound of the bell is for saving those in hell, as well as for enlightening all beings with Buddha's teaching, Dharma. Second, the Dharma drum. This is a very large drum, with wooden shell and covered with rawhide on each end. During each ritual, drumming performance is the longest, and watching it can be real exciting if you are lucky to meet a highly trained monk player. The sound of the drum feels like echoing through the earth and beating with my heart. The symbolic meaning of the sound is to save all sentient beings living on land. The third instrument is the wooden fish. As the name shows, the sound of this instrument is to save water animals. However, you might wonder, many of their heads look much more like a dragon than a fish. Actually, there is a myth that a fish becoming a dragon with a magic pearl attains an absolute freedom. Thus, this can be a model example for all those who seek Buddha's enlightenment. The last one is the cloud-shaped gong. As it looks like cloud in the air, it is told to convey the Buddha's message to flying creatures and wandering spirits. Now we know these 4 instruments have profound meaning to spread awakening sound to all sentient beings around the universe. I will leave a link below for the video of the sounding ritual of the instruments. This is all for today. I hope you have a chance to listen to them in person. Thanks for watching and see you next time.